Hello student of standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. Here is our workbook and today we are start our chapter 14 in workbook. Okay. Into how many major group are in the resources divided? So they are 2. Okay. So which are the biotic resources? So forest and animals. Which are abiotic resources? They are water and land. Which resources is a renewable resources? They are sunlight. Which resources are non-renewable resources? So it's a mineral oil. Which type of resources are mineral? It's a non-renewable. Into how many types has the Indian Council of Agriculture Research classified the soil of India? It's 8. Which of the following factor cannot be considered responsible for the soil erosion? It's a wildlife. By which method should be slopy land be cultivated? It's a terrace cultivated method. How much is the percentage of drinking water on the earth? It's a 3%. Which is the main source of water resources on the earth? Is a rain. Which of the following are in the mean of irrigation? It's all of them. 3 means well, canal and lake. Which is the first stage of human development? It's a stone age. Which metal might have been used first by human being? It's D, copper. Which substance element are the verge of execution today? It's a petroleum products. By which name is the present time known as the stage of human development? It's atomic age. It's a D. From the wood of which tree is furniture made? It's a sal. Where are the forests mainly found in India? It's a Andaman and Nicobar. When is the World Forest Day celebrated? Is 21st March. When is the World Environment Day celebrated? It's 5th June. Which lake of Gujarat is famous for the migratory bird coming during winter? In Nal Sarovar. Which animal is totally extinct from Gujarat? It's a tiger. Which animal is totally extinct from India? It's a cheetah. In which forest of Gujarat do the lion dwell? It's a Gir. Which is the state bird of Gujarat? It's flamingo. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara. Which is the main river of Ladakh region? Is a Sindhu. Is Indus. Which unique animal is found in Ladakh? Is yak. Which religion do most people in Ladakh follow? It's Buddhism. Which is the main city of Ladakh? Leh. Which tree surrounded the oasis in the Sahara Desert? It's a date palm. Which river flow in the Sahara Desert? Is a Nile. Due to which region Ladakh is known as the Little Tibet? It's C. Due to Tibetan culture. By which other name is Ladakh known as? It's a Khapachan. Which tree have been planted to prevent the advancing Kutch Desert? It's wild acacia. Which of the following word is found in the run of Kutch? Flamingo. Which of the following animal is found in Kutch Desert? It's a Gutkhar. Which is the main crop of the Kutch Desert? It's a millet. The natural substance found on earth and which are useful to human being are called resources. The resources which are inexcavable are renewable resources. The resources which are used once and cannot be reused or recreated again are non-renewable resources. Terrace farming methods should be applied on slopy lands to prevent its soil erosion. Soil conservation means to enhance the quality of soil by preventing the soil erosion. All sources of water are attributed to rainfall. The main source of the surface water is river. Water is our shared resources. The development stage in the human culture are known by the name of minerals. The minerals such as the petroleum product are on the verge of execution. The mineral resources should be used very judiciously. The largest forest cover are found in Andaman and Nicobar Island in India. There is a forest cover 11.18% out of total area in Gujarat. According to the National Forest Policy, there should be forest cover on 33% of the total land area of the country. The Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 29 December. Next is one-horned rhinoceros is a unique animal of India. In ancient times, Emperor Ashoka erected law to protect the wildlife. Ladakh is a cold desert of India. People in Ladakh prepare paneer from the milk of yak. Ladakh is also known as a Little Tibet due to Tibetan culture. Ladakh is known for the mountainous beauty and culture. The Kutch Desert is located in Kutch district of Gujarat. The Bhumi area is located in Kutch Desert. The tourism industry is fast growing in Kutch. Okay. Now it's a true false. The human needs are limited. It's a false. Forest, sunlight, etc. renewable resources is a right. Coal is non-renewable resources is a right. Soil erosion is caused due to running water or by an earthquake is wrong. Walls should be built on the fallow land to prevent the soil erosion is wrong. Soil conservation means to maintain the quality of the soil by adding chemical fertilizer is wrong. River are the main source of water resources is wrong. River is the main source of surface water is right. Water is our personal resources is wrong. The stage in the development of human culture are known by the name of minerals. It's right. The importance of minerals has increased a lot after the independence of India. It's a wrong. The conservation of mineral resources is one type of saving. It's a right. Basket paper and crayons can be made from bamboo. It's a right. Forest cause the soil erosion is wrong. The percentage of forest is about 23% in India. It's wrong. The World Environment Day is celebrated in 15 June. It's wrong. The Wildlife Day is celebrated on 4th October. It's right. The Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 1st December. It's wrong. The one-horned rhinoceros inhabited in Karnataka forest in India. It's wrong. Flamingo is the state bird of Gujarat. Yes, it's right. Yak is the main animal of the Sahara Desert. It's wrong. Coal is found in the Sahara Desert. It's wrong. Sindhu in the main river of Ladakh region. Right. The national highway number A1A passes through Ladakh. Is right. The region of the Rann of Kutch desert is known as the White Desert. Is a right. Flamingo are found in Little Rann of Kutch. Is wrong. The golden fox of Kutch is on verge of extinction. Is a wrong. So do in workbook. Do in workbook. We will meet again next session. Till then, bye. Thank you very much.